love you. Oh, it's Margaret. Hello, Margaret. Did Margaret come to see us? Hello. Is that you? Oh, it's Margaret. Look how close we all are. Hello. Oh, we're going to have kisses. Good girl, Margaret. Good girl. Oh, kisses. Good girl. Yay. That's so cute. Yes, I love you. Yeah, I love you. What are you doing? Is she going to push you out the way? Is she? Yeah, is she? Say I love you, Kevin. Yeah, I love you. Hello, Margaret. Yeah, I love you. Do it nicely, Kevin. Be nice about it. What? Kevin? You want to say hello? Good boy, come on then. You coming? No, you don't want to know. You don't love me? Are you coming? No? No. Oh, Kevin, you're being mean because you don't want to come around. I'm not making you, am I? I was just seeing if you wanted to come. You didn't have to bite me. Yeah, I love you. Are you coming? Good boy, I love you. Good boy. Kisses. Oh, kisses. Good boy, good girl. What are you going to give me, Kevin? A kiss or a bite? Kisses? Oh, kisses. Thank you. Thank you. You just get my forehead, don't you? Because you're a bit bitey sometimes. Yeah, good boy. I love you. I love you. Margaret, can we have kisses? Ah. See? Then you get bitey just because I got too close to Margaret. You're so mean. You're so mean, Kevin. Please don't bite me. I just want to say hello to Margaret. Kisses. Good girl. Why can't you? Yeah.